Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can make money with your Facebook account. And specifically, the way we're going to do that is by using what's called affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is where you go find a product and then you promote that product through a link that that vendor gives you so you can earn a commission, meaning you'll make money when anyone clicks on that link that you share. And of course, when we're talking about sharing, we're talking about Facebook, because that's what we do on Facebook. For example, as you see here on the screen, this is my Facebook page. So how can I make money on my Facebook profile or using my Facebook profile? Well, Facebook gives you your Facebook profile or your timeline, which is your account. Now, they don't want you technically doing business from your personal profile, but the simple thing is that people do. Make sure you understand and read the terms of service, and make sure that you understand what you could lose if you start doing business from your Facebook profile. So make sure you do your due diligence on that. But the other two ways are pages and groups. Now, Facebook gives you pages and you can do business from the pages you create. For example, if we go back here to Facebook and you scroll down, you'll see, if I go to see more, you can see right here, 30-minute marketing. Now, this is my Facebook page for 30minutemarketing.net, or what's called a business page. They have different types of pages, the main two being business pages and fan pages. Fan pages being if you want to use your name, if you're some type of celebrity or you want to grow some type of celebrity, you can use your name, which is the same as your personal profile, but it's on a page where you're allowed to do business according to Facebook and their terms and conditions when you sign up for an account. But in this case, we're talking about a brand or my business, 30minutemarketing.net. And as you can see, if we click on view as visitor, because I'm logged in and I own the page, this is what the page will look like. And you can see that I can upload videos and other content here on this page. And then what happens is you can see the images here, and then I can share this and people can like this page. And then I can also boost these posts or pay Facebook to put these posts in front of other people that are similar to my current audience, or you can select the audience. Now that's getting into paid traffic and running Facebook ads, and that's really not what this video is about. I just want to make sure that I mention that for completeness. Now again, we're talking about affiliate marketing. So what you can do is you can post a link here on your Facebook page to something you like on Amazon or something you like on Walmart, or even if you have a local business you want to support, if they have some type of online store, you can become affiliate for that product where you're helping people and you're making recommendations for products. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, there's a link in the description that explains exactly how to do affiliate marketing step by step. I'll also put a card up here. You can click on that, and I highly suggest you watch that video to understand the complete process of building a real affiliate marketing business. But the focus here is using Facebook. So this is the Facebook page. So again, you have your personal profile. Again, double check that terms and conditions on Facebook and make sure you understand that if you do something that Facebook doesn't like, you could lose your account. Then understand that Facebook pages are for your business or for you as a person that wants to do business on Facebook. The third option is this little groups button up here. Kind of looks like a paw print of a dog, but you go ahead and you click on groups, and then you'll see what groups are. It's simply a group where groups of people come together. So in the idea of affiliate marketing, you want to pick a niche. Again, link in the description, and that card up here is going to show you and talk to you about building a niche, so make sure you watch that video. But a niche in its simplest form is a group of people that have a similar problem and you have a solution for it. And in this case, your solution is your content, and then your content leads to that affiliate product that you're promoting. So you can go inside of groups and you can utilize other people's groups, but the problem with that is it's their group. So the best method here is to build your own group and to attract people, again, inside of that niche, that group of people that have a problem, and then you build your own community, and then you're able to provide them valuable content as well as provide your link out to the product that you're an affiliate for. So again, you can make money by earning that commission. Now, I will show you inside of one of my groups what I do. This group is where I actually host people that are interested in puzzles, building puzzles, making puzzles, anything about puzzles. And what I do here is I actually have daily posts such as this one right here, Show and Tell Tuesday. Show off what you got. And inside of this post, this is where in my group, what I'm doing is I'm telling everyone that's in the group, show me what you got, show everybody else what you got. And that means your offers, if you have your own product, or your affiliate products, if you're an affiliate for a product and it's around this niche, this group of people that are interested in puzzles and either making their own puzzles or buying puzzles or just doing puzzles. They're inside this group and they have this opportunity. I have the opportunity to provide the content and build the group. Everyone else in the group has the opportunity on this post, not just randomly in the group, that would be spam, but on this post to share the things that they're interested in and tell other people about it. And therefore they can use Facebook and my Facebook group as a way to make money using Facebook as an affiliate marketer. So again, there you have it. We're talking about Facebook, we're talking about using your personal profile, building your own page, building your own group, and joining other groups of like-minded people and making sure you follow their rules, because again, it is their group. And then make sure you understand all the rules on Facebook. And then if you want to know exactly how Facebook falls into a complete business when you're building a real online business as an affiliate marketer, then don't forget the card up here and also a link in the description will take you over to the video where I explain all the steps of exactly how you can get started with affiliate marketing and start making money. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the one you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.